Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. And today I am going to unbox this bamboo and maize eco-friendly cutlery for kids. And this is for the kids who are older than 9 months. And it has translations in many other language. So it has no BPA, so it's good. So whenever you buy anything, you should, for your baby or for yourself, you should see it should not have bisphenol A or BPA. And now see, it has even more instructions on the back. So it is food grade, it is recyclable, and it is approved by the Green Point. And this paper is printed on 80% recycled material. You can wash this in dishwasher. You can wash this in dishwasher, but not more than 65 degrees Celsius. So if you are interested in this product, I bought this from DM, and in Mueller also it's available. It's eco-friendly and it's free of bisphenol A. This is why I bought this. So now we will unbox it. So actually I bought it. I bought it because I forgot to keep some cutlery for my baby, and it was her meal time. So you should also never forget to buy and bring your own cutlery if your baby is eating braai or porridge. So you see how interested she is in this cutlery. It's just like a small toy for her. So it has some more instructions. So let's read the leaflet. This leaflet is really interesting because it reminds me of the brown paper, and as it was written on the packet that it is printed on recyclable material, so it's good. So it has English instruction: made from genetically untreated 50% bamboo and 20% maize, as well as 30% melamine. The bamboo and maize are biodegradable, BPA free. Cleaning to ensure hygiene: wash before initial use. Yeah, we will. Hand wash with soapy water. Rinse thoroughly with the clear water before and after each use. Okay. Dishwasher safe, top rack only. Don't use a scourer to clean the product. For your kids' safety and health. Warning: do not microwave, boil or steam, sterilize. Warning: always use this product with adult supervision. Caution: before each use, inspect the product, throw away at the first sign of damage or weakness. Always check food or liquid temperature before feeding. That I always do. Do not let children walk or run with this product. Okay. Never leave a kid unattended while using this and any other infant product. Okay. This product may break if dropped. Some foods like carrots and sweet potatoes may stain this product, but this will not affect the use and safety of it. So you want to use it right away. So here is all about this product. And I like nüby product very much. I got a few wonderful products from nüby. I also bought a glass for her, but I didn't do its unboxing. Okay. So now I would like to request that if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. And if you have any comment or suggestion, please write in the comment box. And thank you very much for subscribing, and I wish you all good luck and have a nice day. Bye bye.